Heidts has been around for 36 years. This has been really a dream come true for me. My background is engineering, and my dad was in the car business forever. So unfortunately he's not around, and he'd really like to see all that we've got going on. And as we walk down there, we have our CNC. We just put in a new mill in Lake. And then we have our MIG and TIG hand welding. So. Cardboard and let them go home with it, okay? We have everything CAD, so we're able to drop files straightforward.
Hi, I'm Mike Ruth, work for Heidts Hot Rods in Lake Zurich, Illinois. We're here at our annual open house. Some of our new products on display. These are two different truck front ends. One's for the Chevys, the other one's for the Fords. From mid-60s all the way into the 80s. We started with a clean sheet of paper, designed this cross member. It's 7-gauge material versus a standard 10 on a lot of our street rod stuff. We increased the diameter of the upper control arm to 1.25 inches and the lower to 1.5 inches. These trucks start out at 4,000 pounds and then people add to them. We purposely built these really beefy to take the weight and the torque that these diesel engines put out. So you don't have to worry about bending anything up or folding anything. Some of these diesel engines are extremely heavy and they put out over 500 foot-pounds of torque. Both these front ends come with Willwood caliper disc brake kits. They also come with billet aluminum adjustable coil-over shocks, and they come with brand new power racks. This is one of our display boards that features the 82 to 92 F-body car bolt-on suspensions that you can buy from us. We have adjustable lower control arms. We have a standard lower control arm. We have adjustable panhard bars for when you lower your car. We have a standard panhard bar. We have relocation brackets for both. We also have bolt-on subframe connectors. We came out with a new coil-over shock design for these cars. Bolts right in. On this board here we have our bolt-on subframe connectors. These actually tie the frame front to rear on the Camaro. These go to the outside where the rocker panel is. Used together, it builds a pretty solid platform and will take a fair amount of horsepower. Replacement torque arm to get rid of the stock stamped torque arm. We offer a variety of bolt-on strut tower braces for both the 82 to 92 and the 93 and up Camaros and Firebirds. They have different engine combinations, so we had to design several different models so it fits your car. Heidts Hot Rods purchased Chassis Engineering Incorporated a little over 2 years ago and added this to our product line. Chassis Engineering was famous for building bolt-on Mustang 2 front ends. No welding required, no fabrication required. It's a perfect addition to our product line. They also have bolt-in leaf spring kits for someone that just wants to retain a factory-style ride and doesn't want to spend a ton of money. These kits are easy to install. Everything you need is in the kit, and it gets modern rear suspension to these old cars. It comes with gas shocks, a bolt-on shock cross member, and a complete bolt-in leaf spring assembly.